and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do acrylic nails on short nails. I find these the hardest because the nails are short, so you don't have a lot of space to work on, and it's really easy to get them to bulk up. So what I try to do here is to use as thin layers of acrylic as possible, especially when encapsulating, and then that's going to help a lot with the bulkiness. So today I am using my own acrylic mixes here and some of Maya's Nails collection, her pastel cake collection. She is coming out, I think, with a new collection this weekend. You can get them from a&gnailsupplies.com. But what I did on my ring finger here is I just used a white and a clear. The white and clear I got from s&mnailcandi. You guys can use my code SMEasyNails10 for 10% off. And then this glittery gold color, I'm just going around the marble that I did, and I made this acrylic one myself. But it's really easy, you guys, to mix your own glitter acrylics. Here I just have some gold glitters, some chunky hexy glitters, and then some fine gold, and I mixed it with clear acrylic, and it was super easy to do. So I just did a marble on this ring finger here, and then I'm going on the sides of it with the gold glitter acrylic mix. So super easy, again, working in really thin layers. So now I am moving on to the pinky nail, I believe, once I finish the marble. And to marble, you guys, I just double dipped my brush. So first of all I dipped it into white, and then I dipped it into clear. I used a wetter bead, and then when you lay it on your nail and just swish the brush through it, it kind of just marbles naturally for you. Marble is really easy design to do on the nail. Alright guys, so now I'm going in with this beautiful glitter acrylic from Maya Nails pastel collection, and it is a beautiful glitter acrylic mix. It goes on like butter, absolutely gorgeous. It has like blue, minty green glitters. It has pink glitters, and the blue and the mint are matte, and then it has gold glitters that aren't matte. So it's absolutely beautiful, super girly. I absolutely love this glitter mix. So I'm putting this all over the first finger. And I am using my left hand for this, you guys, so if it's not perfect, bear with me. I was using my non-dominant hand for this. On the middle finger, I am using the mint green that she has in her collection. It is a mint green color with fine gold glitter in it. Super pretty, and it complements the pink, the mint and pink glitter. Really gorgeous. I love this one. It's super pretty. So I'm just applying this all over the middle finger. So I did a French design here, you guys, on the pinky. I built my smile line with S&M Nail Candy Cover Nude. And then I'm taking this custom gold glitter that I created myself, and I am just going around that smile line with the gold, making sure to get it covered really well. And it's okay if you get it over the smile line. You can go in with your file and just file off the parts that you got on your smile line with your nail file. So super easy. I'm just doing that on the pinky nail. Alright, you guys, so moving on to the thumb. I'm also going to be doing a French on this nail, so I'm just building up the smile line with this beautiful light pink color from Maya's pastel nail collection. This is a beautiful light to medium pink color, and it has iridescent glitters in it. Really pretty. So you guys, I am filling in this French nail on the thumb with the pink, mint, and gold glitter here. I'm just making sure that it is completely filled. So I did not get this on camera, but I did clear cap all of the nails. And then I filed, buffed them, and cleansed them, and top coated them. And stay tuned till the end here. I will show you guys the final result. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you are not, I would love it if you would do so. Comment down below, like this video, and thank you so much, guys. Make sure you stay tuned till the end for pictures. Bye!